Saturday ride for a change, and the group was all gathering early for the ride to Hall Mtn. Round trip. This ride was going to be nearly 90 km, unless the group could take a shortcut by crossing Redding Creek. The trail down to the creek crossing was in great shape, and 2 test machines crossed the creek without any issues, only to discover that the trail on the other side was grown in quite badly. On to Plan B, and the longer route up the valley to cross on the Redding Creek Bridge. Then the long climb up the mountain, 26 switchbacks, up to the top of Hall Mtn. It was a great day to be up on top at about 7,850 feet altitude. The sun was shining and the temperature was mid-20s. What's not to like? The group had a leisurely lunch on top, followed by hiking, photos and socializing. Life is good in the Kootenays.
Seemed to be a lot of interference with the drone shots from here.
Eventually, after a couple hours, the group headed down the mountain on their way back to the staging location at the bottom end of St. Mary Lake. A quick ride back to the trucks and home for a shower. A nearly perfect day.